Hello everyone, I am Angel, a member of Shivi Forensics, and I welcome you all to this video on digital forensics inside the cybercrime world. In today's video, we will explore the fundamentals of digital forensics and understand some MCQs related to the topic which are frequently asked in examinations, interviews, and forensic science courses. Digital forensics, also known as cyber forensics, is one of the fastest growing branches of forensic science. It focuses on the identification, collection, preservation, analysis, and presentation of digital evidence obtained from electronic devices such as computers, mobile phones, servers, networks, and cloud systems. And the primary goal of digital forensics is to recover, analyze digital evidence in a legally acceptable manner so that it can be presented before the court of law. Now let's understand the MCQs one by one with detailed explanations. So our first question is, cyber forensics is also called as option A, networking, option B, ethical hacking, option C, digital forensics, option D, cryptography. So the correct answer for this question is option C, digital forensics, because cyber forensics and digital forensics are essentially the same field. It involves investigating digital devices and recovering evidence related to cybercrimes, fraud, hacking incidents, data theft, and other digital offenses. Now, our second question is, which is the first step in cyber forensics? Option A, reporting, option B, identification, option C, analysis, option D, deletion. Correct answer for this question is option B, identification, because every forensic investigation begins with identifying potential sources of evidence first. Now, our third question says FTK stands for option A, antivirus, option B, browser, option C, forensic tool, option D, firewall. So the correct answer for this question is option C, forensic tool. Because FTK stands for Forensic Toolkit, it is one of the most widely used digital forensic software applications that investigators use. Next, our question number 4 is, MD5 is used for option A, gaming, option B, hashing, option C, editing, option D, networking. So our correct answer for this question is option B, hashing. MD5 stands for Message Digest Algorithm 5. It is a cryptographic hash function used to create a unique digital fingerprint of data. In digital forensics, MD5 helps verify that evidence has not been altered during acquisition or analysis. Now, our question number 5 is, phishing is a type of option A, hardware, option B, cyber attack, option C, operating system, option D, software update. So the correct answer for this question is option B, cyber attack. Phishing is a social engineering attack where criminals impersonate trusted organizations to steal sensitive information. Now our question number 6 is, imaging in forensics means option A, taking photographs, option B, drawing diagrams, option C, exact copy of storage data, option D, video recording. Correct answer for this question is option C, exact copy of storage data. Forensic imaging refers to creating an exact bit-by-bit copy of a storage device. Next, our question number 7 says that, which is an example of digital evidence? Option A, blood stain, option B, hair sample, option C, email record, and option D, footprint. For this, the correct answer is option C, email record. Digital evidence refers to any information stored or transmitted in digital form that may have evidentiary value. Now our question number 8 is, what RAM is? Option A, permanent memory, option B, secondary storage, option C, volatile memory, option D, optical disk. For this, the correct answer is option C, volatile memory. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. It is known as volatile memory because its contents disappear when power is removed. Our question number 9 says, ethical hacking is option A, illegal access, option B, authorized security testing, option C, virus attack, option D, data theft. For this, the correct answer is authorized security testing. Ethical hacking involves legally testing the security of systems with permission from the owner. Ethical hackers simulate real world attacks to identify vulnerabilities before criminals can exploit them. Now, for the last and the 10th question, we have a firewall is used for option A video editing, option B cooking, option C network security, option D printing. And for this, the correct answer is option C network security. A firewall is a security system that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic. It acts as a protective barrier between trusted internal networks and potentially dangerous external networks. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe the channel for more content on forensic science, cybercrime investigations, digital forensics and criminalistics. Thank you.